Hi, my name is Stella Metsavas, and I'm a media nutrition and health expert, and my specialty lies within the Mediterranean diet. I'm shooting at the beautiful Laguna Beach Culinary Institute, and today I'm going to show you how to make a cold Greek pasta salad. One of my favorite things to add to a cold pasta salad is berries, and today I'm going to be using strawberries. There we go. I've already prepared some penne pasta. I'm going to add some artichoke hearts that have been marinated in olive oil. I'm going to add a few pitted kalamata olives. I'm going to add some pine nuts. Pine nuts are definitely used within the whole Mediterranean region. It's a very popular nut. Super buttery, so you don't need to use much. Okay, so I just added some feta. I'm going to tear apart some basil leaves. You don't really want to use a knife when it comes to basil because you will bruise the actual leaf. And now I'm going to mix everything together. You're going to definitely want to double up on this recipe. It is so good, especially when it's cold. Now I'm going to lightly drizzle a little bit of olive oil, some sea salt, just a little bit because you have the feta in there and you don't need much, and some cracked pepper. Such a beautiful dish, so colorful. There you go. Beautiful. Enjoy.